Hey there, happy Friday. Scott Smith with the Smith team at Keller Williams. Wanted to share a quick video with you about some of the things that will actually impact the real estate market that are not real estate or economic related. The biggest thing right now that we're experiencing is with the weather. And obviously we've got great sunshine. It feels like April or May already. So our spring market is already kicking into high gear with the warm weather. We've got more new construction crews that are out there finishing these houses that normally would be a little bit slower pace over the winter time. So that's one of the factors. Obviously weather. Minnesota, we've got the seasonality that impacts people's activities. People say, hey, we don't want to move in the cold. If you're in the southern states, they might not want to move in the heat. But right now in Minnesota, we've got this beautiful warm weather, and it looks like it's going to be an early spring real estate market already. So that's great news. The other things that will impact the real estate market are some of the different holidays and kind of seasonal activities. So if you think of like 4th of July, Labor Day, Memorial Weekend, when those real estate, the real estate market is in full swing, some of those things will actually put a pause on the real estate market depending on where we are with the activities. So a couple things not economic related. Weather, most importantly, will have an impact on the real estate market, but right now we're all out there enjoying the beautiful spring weather in February, and the spring market is certainly kicking into high gear. If you're thinking about making a move and want to wait until spring, it's already here and the real estate market's kicked in. So reach out to us, 651-777-3434, or connect with us online. We'll be happy to kind of get the ball rolling and start a conversation about making a move in 2024. Thanks. Have a great day.